Get ready for an extraordinary adventure as we unveil a luxurious train journey that will whisk you away to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. A dream vacation awaits. The iconic Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, operated by Belmond, is set to embark on a brand new route, connecting the charm of Paris with the enchanting Italian Riviera. Mark your calendars for May, as this 4-day journey promises an unforgettable experience. Step back in time aboard the train's vintage carriages, built in the 1920s and 1930s, evoking the glamour of rail travel's golden era. But here's where it gets controversial. Some may argue that modern trains offer more comfort and amenities, but this journey is about embracing the romance and elegance of a bygone era. During your voyage, indulge in a scenic boat tour, explore the ancient ruins of Pompeii with a private guide, and even learn the art of Italian cuisine in cooking classes led by local experts. It's not just about the destination, it's the journey itself. On board, you'll be treated to seasonal, locally sourced dinners, live piano melodies, and signature cocktails. And for those seeking an extra touch of luxury, some sleeper cabins offer 24-hour steward service, marble bathrooms, and cozy lounge areas. Imagine waking up to the gentle rocking of the train and the promise of new adventures each day. On the second day, you'll wake up to the stunning vistas of Italy and disembark at Pompeii station for a delicious breakfast and lunch. Then, it's time to explore the UNESCO World Heritage site of Pompeii with a guided tour. And this is the part most people miss. Certain premium packages grant exclusive access to areas typically closed to the public, offering an unparalleled experience. Your home for the next 2 nights will be the 11th century Belmond-owned palace, Caruso, nestled in the charming town of Ravello. Imagine yourself surrounded by original frescoes, vaulted ceilings, and private suites overlooking the pristine Amalfi coastline. It's a true slice of paradise. On the third day, you have the freedom to choose your adventure. Opt for a boat tour to the picturesque Positano, or immerse yourself in the local culture with a painting lesson led by a talented Italian artist. It's all about creating memories that are uniquely yours. The second night at Caruso will be a culinary delight, featuring a gala dinner with local producers and live cooking stations. Indulge in the flavors of Italy and connect with fellow travelers over a shared love for exquisite cuisine. As your journey comes to an end, private transfers will ensure a seamless transition to Naples railway station or airport for your onward or return travels. But wait, there's more. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express has more luxurious train journeys planned for next year, including routes to Venice, Portofino, and Florence, all departing from Paris. Now, here's the catch. This dream vacation doesn't come cheap. Tickets start from around €10,000, £8,700 per person, covering all meals, excursions, and transfers. Is it worth the price tag? That's a question only you can answer. Some may argue that experiences like these are priceless, while others might prefer a more budget-friendly adventure. So, are you ready to embark on this luxurious train journey? Will you be one of the lucky few to experience the magic of the Amalfi Coast in style? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Is this journey worth the splurge, or are there other ways to explore the region that capture your imagination?